Hello guys, today we'll be making this goodie Kunun Gyada. So here are my ingredients. So you need rice, blended groundnut, Tamarin. It has a sour taste and it adds a very nice taste to our Kunun Gyada. You need sugar and ginger for some flavor and spice, and lastly some flour for a thick consistency. So let's start. So first off, I'm going to be boiling my tamarind and then I'm going to sieve it out because I don't like all these. I won't be needing all these particles, so I'm going to sieve it out right here and keep it aside to be used later. Then I'm going to be mixing my groundnut paste with enough water, and it has to be in this consistency, quite watery. Then I'm going to sieve it. Yes, you have to sieve everything, and I'm going to sieve again because I feel like there are some particles, so I'm going to be using this sieve with a more tiny holes. So I'm sieving everything right in. Yes, so can you see I have a lot of chaff, so that is what I was looking for. So let the cooking begin. I'm going to set it on fire so it can cook. I'm very sure it's very smooth right now, no particles. So after setting it in fire, I'm going to put my ginger for some spices and some flavor. Trust me, you want that flavor. So you're going to leave your pot open so it doesn't form that bubbles that is going to form later and pour all over the place. So you're going to leave it open. This is my beans paste. I'm going to be having my Kunun Gyada with some Akara. It's really nice, guys. So I'm checking on my paste whether it's about to boil. I think it's about to boil, and now it is about to boil. So I'm going to be pouring in my rice and I'm going to stir. From now on, it's stirring, nothing else but stirring. So you make sure you keep stirring and don't allow that bubbles to form and then your groundnut is all over the place. You do not want that. So you keep stirring and allow the rice to cook for some time, for about like 20 minutes. Yes, that's okay. I like to leave mine for just a few minutes because I don't want the rice overcooked. So I'm going to keep stirring and keep stirring. It's a very nice, delicious meal and very easy to make. As you can see, stirring is just most of the work here. So my rice is cooking and it's soon going to be done. This is my flour and I'm going to mix it. Yes, make sure you mix into a very smooth consistency. And this is my tamarind. I'm going to be pouring into my tamarind because I'm pouring it all at the same time. So I'm going to be mixing it and then I'm going to sieve because I can see some particles and I do not like them. I'm sieving everything. Yes, and it's time to pour it in because I feel like it's done. Yes, let me check on my Kunun Gyada. Yes, can you see it's actually very watery? What I'm going to be adding in right now, which is my flour and my tamarind, is going to transform it into a thick consistency, and I'm about to pour it right now. You're gonna see the magic right now. So I'm pouring in and there you have it. I'm going to stir. Can you see it's much more thicker, and that is what I like. Can you imagine? We are done. I mean, it's easy, right? Our Kunun Gyada is done and my Akara is about to be done too. Can you see that? Yes. I am going to so love this meal. Oh, my Akara is done. Easy peasy. Oh, can you see my Kunun Gyada? It's even thicker and I love it that way. It's even thicker. Oh my god. I'm about to have it right now. And yes, breakfast is served. So I'm going to be adding in my sugar to give it some taste, and I will enjoy my Kunun Gyada. How easy, right? Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel, guys. Bye.